What's up, class? Now, let us transpose matrices. Matrix transposition is a process of interchanging the entries of a matrix such that the first row becomes the first column, the second row becomes the second column, the third row becomes the third column, and so on until the last row. It is written as matrix A raised to T. For example, given matrix A, what is A transposed? Square matrices can also be classified depending upon its form when it is transformed. Let us look at these examples. This is matrix A. This is A transformed. The transform of matrix A is equal to the original matrix A. This is called a symmetrical matrix, while this matrix is not symmetrical. While there is also what is called anti-symmetrical matrices, where the transpose of a matrix is just the negation of the original matrix. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to leave your comments, questions, or suggestions down below. Hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any upload. Have a nice day and see you soon.